Now, example 6.5. Find the torque of a force 7I caret plus 3J caret minus 5K caret about the origin. The force acts on a particle whose position vector is I caret minus J caret plus K caret. Now, its answer. See here, position vector R and the force vector F are given to you. R, that is I caret minus J caret plus K caret, and F equal to 7I caret plus 3J caret minus 5K caret. Now we want to find the torque acting on the particle. As per discussed theory, we can say torque tau, that is equal to R cross F. So we can write torque tau, that is R cross F, that is the determinant Ijk, then x, that is 1, y, that is minus 1, and z, that is 1. Then for vector f, fx, that is 7, fy, that is 3, and fz, that is minus 5. Now simplify this one. So here I caret into minus 5 into minus 1, that is 5, minus 3 into 1, that is 3. Then minus j caret into 1 minus 5, that is minus 5, minus 7 into 1, so minus 7, plus k caret into 1 into 3, that is 3, minus 7 into minus 1, that is minus 7. Now, again we can simplify this one as 5 minus 3, that is 2, I caret, plus minus 5 minus 7, that is minus 12, into minus, so that is plus 12j. Here minus 7, that is plus 7, plus 7 plus 3, 10k caret. Clear to all of you?